Now, let me carefully explain how to fix the problem when effects do not display. Effects or pro functions are not displaying properly in CapCut, as you can see on your phone, as you can see right here. First, you should carefully check your internet connection as shown here. Because the internet will not be connected to your phone, as you can see here. Of course, nothing will work when effects or features are missing here. When effects or features do not appear in iMovie, it's usually related to. It's often related to regions, internet issues, or even your account settings. So, here's what we need to do now. Check your internet connection as I mentioned, then restart your device. And restart iMovie as you prefer, then check again for issues. Now, carefully open the app again, then log out and log back into your account to refresh it. You can easily log back in through TikTok, Google, or even your email, as shown here. Now that you're logged into your account, if it still doesn't work, try again. Changing the region is simple. Let me show you how to do it. Simply download a VPN, turn it on, and change the settings as shown here for better connectivity. Check your region now. That's all, folks. Thank you all for watching. Wishing you good luck and goodbye.